Hello dear student. So in this video we are going to learn about the three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, and also we will learn how one state get converted into another. Okay, so there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. So first one is solid. What is solid? Solid are those objects, those matter which have fixed shape and fixed volume. Okay, for example, this is a duster and this will have the fixed shape and fixed volume. Okay, suppose it is 200 centimeter cubic material, its volume is 200 centimeter cube. Then whether you will keep it in your bag, on the table, in the air or anywhere, its volume will be fixed and shape will also be fixed. This shape is cuboid shape. Understand? Second, liquid. Liquid are those matter which have fixed volume but don't have fixed shape. Liquids takes the shape of the container. Liquids जो होते हैं वो कंटेनर जिसमें भी डाला जा रहा है लिक्विड को उसका शेप ले लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, suppose you have taken the water and you have added into your water bottle, then it will take the shape of your water bottle, but volume will be the fixed. Okay, suppose you have taken 1 liter water bottle and you have 500 milliliter of water, then it will take the shape of the water bottle, but volume will be fixed, that is 500 milliliter. Second, if you pour it into a 800 milliliter of glass, then also the volume of the water will be 500 milliliter, but it will take the shape of the glass. Is that clear? Third, what is gas? Third one is gas. Gas neither have fixed shape nor have the fixed volume. Gases don't have the fixed shape nor the fixed volume. Okay, उनके पास फिक्स शेप होती है ना ही फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम होती है. अब सपोज कीजिए एक छोटा सा रूम है, केबिन है, उस केबिन में कोई भी गैस रिलीज कर दिए, मान लीजिए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, तो वो पूरा जगह एक्सपैंड करके ले लेगा. और सपोज कीजिए एयर में लीव कर दिए तो अब ये सीमित नहीं रहेगा, इट विल एक्सपैंड इटसेल्फ इन द ह्यूज सराउंडिंग. अंडरस्टैंड? एनी डाउट? ओके, नाउ आई विल टेल यू how the or by which process the different states of matter get converted. So first, the process by which solid is converted into liquid. Solid is converted into the liquid is known as melting. Is known as melting. The process by which the solid is converted into the liquid is known as melting. First point is clear. Suppose you have taken the ice from the refrigerator and kept in the room, then what will happen? It will start melting. It will start melting. वह पिघलने लगेगा. समझ में आया? वह प्रोसेस जिसमें सॉलिड लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट हो जाए उसको क्या कहेंगे? मेल्टिंग. फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्लियर. साइड हटाइए. द प्रोसेस बाय विच liquid is converted into the gas. Liquid is converted into the gas. That process is known as freezing. That process is known as freezing. उस प्रोसेस को क्या कहेंगे हम? फ्रीजिंग कहेंगे. फ्रीजिंग वह प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें लिक्विड सॉलिड में कन्वर्ट होता है. दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन? नाउ द प्रोसेस बाय विच liquid is converted into the gas. Liquid is converted into the gas is known as vaporization. Vaporization. The process by which liquid is converted into gas is known as vaporization or evaporation. समझ में आया? Vaporization या evaporation वह प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें लिक्विड गैस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. क्लियर? Now the process by which gas is converted into the liquid, gas is converted into the liquid is known as condensation. Is known as condensation. So what is condensation? Condensation is a process by which gas is converted into the liquid. Have you observed? There is a tiny water droplets at the boundary of the water bottles when you keep out the chilled water bottle from the refrigerator at your room. आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि एकदम ठंडा पानी अगर फ्रिज में से निकाला है, ठीक, वो बॉटल को अगर आपने रूम में रखा है, कहीं भी रखा है, तो उसके आसपास वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स दिखने लगते होंगे, देखा है ना? तो वो कहाँ से आते हैं, वो किस प्रोसेस से आते हैं? वो आते हैं कंडेंसेशन प्रोसेस से। किस प्रोसेस से? कंडेंसेशन प्रोसेस से। क्लियर? समझ में आया? ओके, सो दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर टू यू? ओके, वन मोर प्रोसेस इज देयर, that is sublimation. That is sublimation. What is sublimation? Sublimation is a process in which the gas is directly converted into the liquid. So what is sublimation? Sublimation वह प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें जो गैस होता है वो डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट हो जाता है सॉलिड में. गैस इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू सॉलिड एंड दैट इज नोन एज sublimation. That is known as sublimation.